You see, there are 2-3 factors involved in this. Number one, the division that we are talking about mostly covers, or in fact covers only 2 particular constituencies. One is Mokaya constituency and one is Shampoo constituency. So therefore, the area of geographical coverage of this division is in these 2 constituencies, 100%, not even like 99, but 100%. So therefore, from work point of view, it makes sense to be in the geographical area where the jurisdiction of this division is. So that's the first logic, which I feel is a very strong logic that we have to look at. The second logic is that everything has to move upwards. We need to progress. We need to realize that not just the rural areas, not just Jowai, not just Shillong, but the whole state has to move forward. So we see the movement of this division into Shampoo is something that will upgrade the overall infrastructure and development status of areas like Shampoo. So a rural area also will see these offices coming up. And I think that is a second and a very positive aspect of things. The third is obviously Jowai itself has to go up. So therefore, we have been working and thinking very deeply as to how we can make towns like Tura and Jowai upgraded and better than what it used to be. And therefore, we have been looking at many aspects in the development field. Now we have looked at smart town. Now you already know that we have already worked around the internal road upgradation for Jowai town, Tura town, Nongstoin, William Nagar. So these are part of the smart town projects. So you will see a lot of emphasis being put on the town infrastructure road projects to be upgraded. So Jowai will see an upgradation and facelift in this internal connection in the town itself. There is already a project on for Tura and Jowai beautification. Approximately 10 to 15 crores, depending on the exact estimates, will be spent in both these towns. So 10 to 15 crores in Jowai, 10 to 15 crores in Tura, to beautify certain locations and areas and junctions. And this is again a part of the Smart Town project. We're also looking at waste management as another area where we want to improve the overall work of the town. So apart from this, we have also realized that these towns need integrated locations where the service to the people can be given from one location. And that is where we have come up with this concept of having mini secretariats in all the districts, but obviously due to financial constraint we will not be able to do everything, but we intend to start with Jowai and Tura town. So you will see that in the next few years there will be an infrastructure of a mini secretariat coming up in these 2 locations, and this will be mainly apart from the DC offices, it will have all the government department offices under one roof. This is also in line with the public the services Meghalaya Services Act that we have just recently put in the assembly. So idea being that we must ensure that the delivery of services and the efficiency improves at the grassroots level. But bottom line being, or the short story and summary being, that even Jowai has to upgrade. So therefore, yes, we are seeing the logical movement from the division point of view from Jowai to Shampoo, because geographical jurisdiction is Shampoo and Mokayu. So that makes sense. But at the same time, we need to ensure that Jowai also goes up. And that is why the mini secretariat also is a project that's coming up apart from many other projects.